So last fall, I upgraded all 3 solar panel arrays in my backyard to these Q-cell bifacial units, and they are working great. Last year, with my Renogy panels and my laminates, I was lucky to get maybe 28 kilowatt, 29 kilowatt hours harvest, and I'm happy to report today was a 10 for 10 sun kind of day, and I'm sitting at about 52 kilowatt hours out of all these arrays. And I modified one of them. Let me show you the pergola, which it's about almost 6:30 in the afternoon, and this thing is still cranking out power. So this is facing west, and the one behind me and the one in front of me right here, these are both facing south. They're all 6-panel Q-cell arrays for 2,900 watts each-ish. Okay, so I needed a little bit extra power to run my window unit right down here in the summertime, because that really sucks down a lot of power, and I keep that thing on full tilt to keep the house, because this just bakes. This is facing west right here. That sun just cooks this, so this just supplements the house's HVAC. And I need just a little squirt more power to get more charging and powering. Alright, so this is the south array, and I just modified this array and added in my spare Q-cell panel right here into the 3 here. So I got a string here of 4. Then over here I got another string of 3, 1, 2, 3, and in order to get this to work, I used my, I'll just walk right over here and I'll show you my construction work here without getting my head cut off. So these are 2 eco-worthy 190 watt panels, and I busted, as you can see, the living hell out of this mounting it right here. So this is all crackered up. But, you know, just kind of either, if you got an idea for epoxy resin to put on here, let me know. But, you know, I got it all bolted down nice, not going anywhere. But the voltage open circuit on these guys requires you to be close. If you want to series in a panel, you got to get the VOCs correct. So I found out you need 3 12-volt panels. And this one right up here, this is a Renogy 100 watt panel. So you got basically 400 watts, no, 400 plus 100, 500 watts added to this right here. And then I just parallel them in. And it works. It works freaking great. Better than I thought it would. I thought I'd get maybe, I don't know, maybe 500 watts or so additional power, but I saw about 700 watts, because these are, you know, at a summer angle. They're flat right here, so it's just cooking around midday. And let's go in the garage and I'll show you the numbers. All right, now we're in the garage about 6:30 in the afternoon, and I got about, on average, about 75% state of charge with the 2 battery banks. These are the Life Power 4s. These are the Kilovaults. And the Victron is saying 82% state of charge, but I'm thinking it's average about 75-ish. The Midnight is saying 87 over here. So the north array with 6 panels on it, 15 kilowatt hours today. The south array now with 3,870 watts of panels connected to it, over 20 kilowatt hours. And the pergola, which faces west, a respectable 16.8. That's really crazy, because you got 16.8 and it gets shading for a good 3 or 4 hours of the day. And this one has 6 panels on it, and it outperformed this one right here. So this all adds up to about 52 kilowatt hours of power, and I'm running 3,500 watts inverting, probably about, average probably about 2,200 continuous with everything running in the house, taking circuits offline. But it's all working. It's working freaking great. Just a little extra power I needed. Now I can't get a full charge unless I reduce my loads, but I'm pretty happy with the amount of kilowatt hours I'm getting compared to last year. Seriously, if I would have got 28, 29 kilowatt hours out of my system last year using just these batteries down here, that would have been great. Now 52 kilowatt hours, you do the math how much better that is, plus a better battery bank and the panels is the way to go. Alright, just thought I'd show you that, and working on another little project back here real quick. This is my original Super Jerry Jr. speaker build. Just getting it all worked through. New tweeters in there, new grill, lanyard, good stuff. There you have it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.